In the previous videos, we learned how to open a trade with ByBit. And we discussed a very important topic of risk management together. And we learned that we have to balance the amount of quantity and leverage in relation to the distance between the entry price and the stop loss price, so that the amount of our loss and profit is well calculated. We have a short trade here, but we have to do exactly the same for long positions. After opening the trade, in the trade window, open the position menu. All trades that currently open can be seen here. In the TP SL section, click on the edit icon. With this, the window of modified TP stop loss will be opened. Here are some information which are essential for QTY. We have to divide the QTY amount by the number of TPs. That is, if our QTY is 30 and the number of TPs is 3, then we open 3 trades with 10 QTY for the exchange. But in this example, we want to act a little differently, so it becomes more clear and easier to understand. I want to close 50% of the total position at TP1, and the rest will be set at TP2. So here, in the QTY section, I enter 10, because the total QTY of Cardano position is 20. Below, in the take profit section, I enter TP price, and at the end, I enter the loss number. Always, before the final confirmation, we check that there is nothing wrong. Well, I confirm. Now here, we have a trade with 2 TPs. We do the same thing for the rest of the TPs. I click on the edit icon. In the modify menu, I go to partial positions option. Now, I have to click on add. Here, I set the QTY amount, then the TP price, after that, the stop loss price, and finally, confirm. Now we have a TP for 10 Cardanos and another TP for 5 Cardanos, but we haven't set a TP for the other 5 Cardanos. So I click on the add option, then I do the same previous steps, the QTY amount, TP price, SL price, and confirm. I recommend you always do a final check before you close the chart. Look, everything is clear on the chart, and below it shows all the numbers. For any reason, we may have made a mistake, like we have not set the stop loss price for one of the positions or some such mistakes. Very good. If you request about a specific topic, write for us to make a video about it.